Coatis belong to the family Procyanidae, which also includes raccoons, kinkajous, and alingos. They are native to the Americas and have a long evolutionary history tied to forest and woodland ecosystems. Fossil evidence suggests their ancestors adapted well to both arboreal, tree-living, and terrestrial, ground-living environments, which is still reflected in their behavior today. The name Coati comes from the Tupian languages of South America, combining words that roughly mean belt and nose, referring to the animal's long, flexible snout. This nose is one of their most distinctive features and plays an important role in their daily life, especially when foraging. Coatis are also known by several other names depending on the region. In some places, they are called Coati mundis, particularly when referring to females or groups. In Spanish-speaking regions, they may be called Tijan, though this name is also used for badgers, while in Portuguese, they are often referred to as Coati. Coatis are highly adaptable animals that occupy a wide range of habitats across North, Central, and South America. They are most found in tropical and subtropical forests, where dense vegetation provides both food and shelter. These forests allow them to climb, forage, and avoid predators effectively. Coatis can also be found in grasslands, dry scrublands, and even mountainous regions. Some species are comfortable living at elevations of over 3,000 meters, where temperatures can be much cooler than in lowland forests. Their adaptability helps them survive in diverse environmental conditions. They are also known to venture into human-altered environments such as farmland and suburban areas. In these places, Coatis often take advantage of food sources like crops or waste, showing their ability to adjust to changing landscapes. There are 4 recognized species of coatis in the world. The most widespread species is the white-nosed coati, Nasua narrica, found from the southern United States through Central America. Another species is the South American coati, Nasua nasua, which inhabits a large portion of South America. The remaining 2 species are mountain-dwelling and less commonly seen. These are the western mountain coati and the eastern mountain coati, Nasuella meridensis, both adapted to cooler, high-altitude environments in the Andes. Coatis generally have a range of earthy colors that help them blend into their surroundings. Their fur is most often shades of brown, reddish-brown, or gray, depending on the species and habitat. This natural coloring provides excellent camouflage in forest floors and dense vegetation. Their tails are usually marked with distinctive rings of lighter and darker fur. These ring tails are one of the easiest ways to recognize a coati and are often held upright while the animal moves, making them visible even in tall grass or forest undergrowth. Some coatis may also have lighter markings on their faces, including around the eyes and muzzle. These subtle contrasts can give them a mask-like appearance, somewhat like their raccoon relatives. Coatis have a slender, elongated body that is well suited for both climbing and ground movement. Their flexible frame allows them to move easily through trees as well as navigate uneven terrain on the forest floor. This versatility is one of their key survival traits. Their most notable feature is their long, mobile snout, which they can move in different directions to sniff out food. This snout is highly sensitive and plays a crucial role in locating insects, fruits, and other edible items hidden beneath leaves or soil. They also have strong limbs with sharp claws, which are used for digging, climbing, and defense. Their long tail, although not prehensile, helps with balance, especially when climbing or walking along branches. Coatis vary in size depending on the species, but they are generally medium-sized mammals. Their body length typically ranges from about 40 to 70 centimeters, not including the tail, which can add another 30 to 70 centimeters. Most coatis weigh between 3 and 8 kilograms. Males are usually larger and heavier than females, sometimes significantly so. This size difference is common in many mammal species and often relates to social and territorial roles. Mountain coatis tend to be smaller and lighter compared to their lowland relatives. Their more compact size is thought to be an adaptation to colder, high-altitude environments where energy conservation is important. Coatis are highly social animals, especially females and young, which live in groups called bands. These groups can consist of up to 20 or more individuals and work together for protection and social interaction. Living in groups helps them stay alert to danger and share knowledge about their environment. Adult males, however, tend to be solitary and only join groups during certain times of the year. This difference in social structure creates a dynamic lifestyle where individuals may switch between solitary and group living depending on their age and sex. Coatis are also very curious and intelligent animals. They spend much of their time exploring their surroundings, using their noses and paws to investigate objects. Their problem-solving abilities are evident in how they access food and navigate complex environments. Coatis have an excellent sense of smell, which is one of their most important tools for survival. Their noses are so flexible that they can rotate them to better detect scents in different directions, making them highly efficient foragers. Another interesting feature is their ability to climb down trees headfirst. Unlike many animals that must descend backward, coatis can rotate their ankles to grip tree trunks securely, allowing them to move down with ease. They are also known for their expressive body language. Their tails, often held upright, can signal mood or help keep group members together in dense vegetation. This visual communication is especially useful in thick forests where visibility is limited. Coatis use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other. These sounds help maintain group cohesion, especially when moving through dense vegetation where individuals may not always be in sight of one another. They produce soft chirping and chattering sounds when interacting peacefully within a group. These gentle noises are often heard when they are foraging together or resting nearby, helping to maintain social bonds. In more tense situations, coatis can make louder calls such as barks or grunts. These sounds may serve as warnings or signals of alertness, ensuring that other members of the group are aware of potential danger. Coatis are relatively quick and agile animals, especially when moving through their natural environments. On the ground, they can run at moderate speeds, which helps them escape predators or move efficiently between foraging areas. Their agility is even more impressive in trees, where they can climb rapidly and move along branches with confidence. Their balance and coordination allow them to navigate complex tree structures with ease. Although they are not built for long-distance running, their combination of speed and agility makes them well-suited for short bursts of movement, whether on the ground or in the trees. Coatis are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet is quite varied and changes depending on what is available in their environment. This flexibility helps them survive in a wide range of habitats. They commonly feed on fruits, berries, and seeds, which provide important nutrients and energy. In addition to plant material, they also consume insects and other small creatures that they find while foraging. Their strong sense of smell helps them locate food hidden under leaves, soil, or bark. This ability allows them to exploit food sources that may not be easily accessible to other animals. Coatis have a seasonal breeding pattern, with mating typically occurring at specific times of the year depending on the region. During this period, solitary males will seek out groups of females to mate with, temporarily joining the band. After mating, the male leaves the group, and the female takes full responsibility for raising the young. She will often build a nest in a tree, where she gives birth and cares for her offspring in relative safety. The gestation period lasts around 10 to 11 weeks, after which a small number of young are born. The mother remains with her babies until they are strong enough to join the group, at which point they begin learning essential survival skills from other members. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.